Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, reviewing my Nerf gun and my Paw Patrol playset. You need to remove the magazine. First, you need to push the orange button and put the Nerf gun bullets. You need to put them in the magazine, then put the magazine back. You need to target your target. And you need to focus and relax. And some of them are very hard to push. And even sometimes the Nerf gun bullets and they shoot in the wrong direction. You need to put the Nerf gun bullets where the arrow is pointing. Then you need to see what number it needs. Then you need to put the Nerf gun bullets. Then you need to pull back. Then you need to fire. Then it's over. Please subscribe and click the bell button. Goodbye.